Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. Let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the apps. They should be almost at the top of the list. Now let's scroll and tap on Special App Access, and here in this list localize install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Let's choose Chrome and simply tap on this switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.